Hello everybody and welcome back to our weekly streams from Smart Optics. So today we have a very special topic for you. Together with Stefan Thier from the company SilaPart, we want to present you a model texture scan and the design in the SilaPart CAD software. So for that we need to start the dental scan software first. And so the dental scan is also very good integrated in the SilaPart CAD software, so it's very easy for you to scan your project and to design it or import it directly into the SilaPart CAD software. But first of all, if you start such a scanning project as the first time, you need to go to the settings, and on the scan parameters you find this flag on the right side. Texture scan with pencil marks. Please flag this checkbox to have a good result for your pencil marked scans, because if you are using a normal pencil like this, you always have some rough area on your model surface, so that's not good. And if you flag this caption, then you get a flat surface on your model. So every time you do partial frameworks and pencil markings on your model, then please flag this checkbox. Okay, I already did it for you, so let's start with the project. I have just an upper jaw here, so it's not necessary what preparation it is. So choose just the antagonist and one stone model, and as a presentation mode we choose the complete jaw scanning. The texture will be monochrome and the high resolution scan can be easily enabled. So let's start. Okay, so first adjust the Z-axis height, and due to the fact that we have a model that is a complete model, we can use enhanced mode to get all the areas, interdental areas for example, scanned very well. This is one good thing by using the enhanced mode in our software. So you have also the possibility to do this scan as a color scanning, because I think Stefan Thier will explain it later to you, but in the SilaPart software you are able to design your partial framework directly due the color lines you did on your model. So that's a very cool feature and a very, very fast way to design your own partial framework. The complete project is done also very fast, because you just need to do the scanning process like this, about 30 seconds. The matching, just some cuttings of the areas you don't need, and then you can directly go to the SilaPart software. Okay, so we need to wait a few seconds until all pictures are loaded into the viewer. Okay, that's looking good. And now we can start with the cutting. We have the automatic cutting plane here. Just go a little bit down like this and start the matching. And when the matching is done, we are able to transfer this model or this STL or PLY file directly to the SilaPart software. Just a few seconds, matching is in process. I did, it's a long time ago that I did or that I painted such a plate on the model, so it's not the best, but I think it's good for us now to show you how to work with such paintings. So okay, that's looking good. Just a few seconds, and then we can import this file directly to the yeah, SilaPart software. Okay, great. So now we have the matched model. You can see all the paintings here. We have a flat surface and yeah, no holes in the interdental areas. And yeah, so now we could close this software, and that's the point now where I connect to Stefan Thier, and he will show you now how to design such a model or such a partial in the SilaPart software. So let's start with it.
Hello everyone, my name is Stefan Thier from the SilaDent support team. In the first part of the live stream, we demonstrated the systematic for scanning models with texture lines. We would like to show you some innovative applications in the digital partial framework technology with our SilaPart CAD software to use these lines. In the first step, we would like to start with a monochrome texture scan. The complete construction of the framework is marked on the model with one color. The colors for the undercuts on the teeth can be shown and hidden for a better visualization of the lines. The marked lines on the model can be used now interactive by the SilaPart software. The software makes a color analysis in the middle of the mouse cursor, and the design line is attaching automatically to the texture line. With this function, it is enough to activate the corner points of the elements. The design is generated automatically. The base plate is a good example for this function. For designing the clasps, it is enough to activate the starting point and the end point. The software is placing the clasps automatically at the line. With the line function, the design time for a partial framework is reduced to a minimum. At the end of the design process, we can finish the framework with the freeform tool and prepare the file for export. For the next application, we will show you the procedure for a multicolor skin. In this function, receive the individual design groups uniform colors, red for the clasps, blue for the retention, and so on. With this function, the software can automatically recognize the individual elements and separate them from other design parts. This is done again by color analyzers in the middle of the mouse cursor. Based on the different colors of the design lines, the SilaPart software generates the full part with only one click on the mouse wheel. With this innovative one-click technology, the partial framework can be designed in just a few minutes. Even more convenient is designing with a full automatic function. For this step, it is necessary to define fixed colors for the design groups. In an easy procedure, we can calibrate the SilaPart software to our used colors on the model. If we have fixed the colors, the software creates all elements for a color group automatically in one step. We use the wizard tool for this function. For the automatic design are up to 5 colors available. If all colors have been fixed, you can use the wizard function again, and the software suggests a complete design project. In the next step, it is only necessary to edit the elements and bring them into their final position. At the end of the design process, we use again the freeform tool to finalize the framework. You can export the file and send it to your milling machine or to your printer. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, great. thank you to Stefan Thier in this point. He did a really great job of presenting how to design a complete partial framework on a monochromed or colored scanned model, and that's a very easy and interesting way. So thumbs up for Siladent and for Stefan Thier, and next week Carsten will be available for you and with a new great topic. And that's it for today. So goodbye and see you soon. Bye bye.